Hi, I'm Chris Johnston, and today we're going to be talking about significant investor visas. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for all the latest immigration news. During COVID times, we've seen a rise in high net worth individuals wanting to move to Australia. It's not just the Hemsworths, but half of Hollywood hanging out down under. Investor visas are one of the best ways to get permanent residency in Australia. If you want to move to Australia and you have the means to invest $5 million, then the 188 Significant Investor might be the visa for you. There are 4 streams of the 188 visa with varying investment requirements, but the Significant Investor visa offers the most benefits. The perks of the Significant Investor visa are, unlike other visas, there is no upper age limit. This means it doesn't matter how old you are. There is no points test. You can bring eligible dependents. That means your spouse or your partner and your children under 23 years old. No English requirements, although there is a fee for those who have less than functional English. No skills assessments. No academic qualification requirements. No business management skills or fund management experience requirements. You can apply from either inside or outside of Australia. Flexible residential requirements. You need only reside in Australia for 40 days per year. This means you can continue to attend to your business outside of Australia while your family live and work in Australia. A 5-year visa, and most importantly, a pathway to permanent residency and also to Australian citizenship after that. The criteria you need to fulfill include: you and your spouse must have personal assets of $5 million or more. You must be nominated by an Australian state or territory or Austrade. You must have functional English. You will need to meet Australia's health and character requirements. You cannot have a debt to the Australian government. And the key requirement, you need to be willing to make an investment of Australian $5 million into a complying investment framework fund. The complying investment framework governs where the investment has to be held. Your investment must be split between the 3 following categories of investment: venture capital and private equity. This is used to invest in Australian startups and small private companies, 20%. Emerging company funds. This is used to invest in companies listed on the Australian Stock Exchange, 30%. Balancing investment, managed funds. A balancing investment of at least 50%. You remain the legal owner of the money during and after the investment period. If the investment grows during that time, and we hope that it does, that growth belongs to you, subject to Australian tax laws. Once the minimum investment period is complete, your investment and any capital gains are returned to you to spend or invest however you want. Of course, there are risks involved with any financial investments. You should speak to an independent financial advisor before making any big decisions. Now the fun part. The first step in applying for a significant investor visa is deciding which Australian state or territory you want to live in. All parts of Australia have their own unique benefits, and we can help you anywhere in Australia. Places you can choose include New South Wales for Sydney, Victoria for Melbourne. If you're looking for a more relaxed lifestyle, you may choose South Australia. And you can apply for permanent residency after just 3 years with the investment in place. We are experienced in assisting with the requirements for SIV visas. If the Significant Investor visa sounds like the right move for you, make an appointment with work visa lawyers today so we can help you make your goals become a reality.